Let's see some more accounting entries. Let's say there is a purchase of asset by branch. So no effect in HO. When asset comes in, asset account is debited, and if cash is paid to bank, or if there is a liability, then to liability, right? The next item, asset account maintained at HO, but asset is purchased by branch. So there is no cash outflow as far as HO is concerned. So HO has obligation towards branch. So branch account has been created. Since asset is coming in, asset is debited, that is branch asset. So as far as branch is concerned, they have paid, so bank is created, or they have created a liability, so creditors is created, and they are not getting asset, rather their dues towards HO is coming down with this purchase, so HO account has been debited, right? Moving on to the next item, depreciation when asset account is maintained by HO. If asset account is maintained by HO, depreciation will be by debiting the branch account and creating the branch asset. Branch asset has been created because its value is coming down. Branch account has been debited because it is an expense which is the responsibility of the branch. So in the books of the branch, depreciation account will be debited with credit to HO account. Next, remittance of funds by HO to branch. Okay, so HO is sending funds to branch. What will happen? Branch has responsibility for the funds, branch account debit to bank account. So in the books of branch, they have responsibility to HO, so HO is created and bank is debited. The next item, remittance of funds to HO by branch. We'll see the opposite entry. Money is coming to HO, so bank account debit. Who is giving money? Branch is giving, so that has been created. In the books of branch, money is going out, so bank account is created. Who is receiving? HO is receiving, so HO account is debited. Next, item 14, transfer of goods between branches. In the books of HO, the responsibility of one branch is getting shifted to another branch. Earlier, particular branch account was debited. Okay, so now that branch has supplied goods to another branch. So recipient branch will be debited, supplying branch will be credited. Whereas in the books of branches, entry will be supplying branch account debit, okay, to goods received from HO. Then there will be one more entry, goods received from HO to HO. We'll understand this entry when we take up an example. Okay. Next, item 15, charging the branch services or charging the branch service charges by HO. So branch expenses, okay, that has been debited and service charges are credited. So they're all basically branch expenses and service charges incomes are booked. So as far as branch is concerned, the service charges are expenses. So expenses recognized, liability to HO, so HO account is created. Then you have cash in transit and goods in transit. Cash in transit in case of HO, entry will be cash in transit account debit to branch. Okay, that is if cash is in transit. So in case of branch books, entry will be cash in transit account debit to HO account. And in case of goods in transit, we pass a similar entry, goods in transit account debit to branch account, goods in transit account debit to HO account. We'll appreciate all these accounting entries in a better way when we take up case studies.